Hey, what's going on? Todd Shaw with the Sawdust Dude. Awesome. Hey, thanks for watching. Hey, I want to talk to you. You're watching this video because you are a subscriber to the Sawdust Dude. Now, for real, I want to say thank you so much. You know, we've kind of been doing this almost 2 years now, and it's kind of testing the waters and to see if there's something that really kind of fit what we do and everything. And the comments, the feedback has been so encouraging. So as my subscribers, I wanted to kind of let you in on what's going on, what's coming down the pike. We're going to up our videos, throw out a lot more content. We've already got some enlisted some friends on the outside to kind of help with the graphics and thumbnails and all that other stuff. In fact, on the banner, you can see some changes already kind of coming up. Purchase some more equipment so you'll get some different angles, some better sound. Test, 1, 2, check. So those are all the things that we're working on behind the scenes, but here is the biggie. Here's the ask. This is what I need from you. We really need more ideas, and I want to hear from you about content. What do you want to see? And I've been really encouraged by the feedback and some of the things that people have said over the last 20 months. But I want to hear from you, and this is how we can make it happen. Down in the comment section below, leave what you want to hear. I want to know about this kind of tool. I want to know about this kind of joinery. I want to know about this kind of glue. And here's the deal. If I use your idea in a video, I'll give you a shout out in that video, but also I will send you your own Sawdust Dude hat, just because you helped out. And hey, I appreciate it so much. Listen, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Tell your friends about it. Leave that comment below, and we will shoot a video just for you. Hey, thanks again for watching the Sawdust Dude. Don't forget to check out the website, sawdustdude.com, because we got merchandise there like that. We've got downloadable plans and some other stuff coming down the pipes for the new year, coming up real soon. Hey, and thanks again for watching the Sawdust Dude. Oh yeah, I'll see you real soon.